Welcome to AI Future Trends. Look, we've all seen those crazy headlines about the AI job apocalypse, right? And that feeling, that little bit of anxiety, it's totally real. But what if the whole conversation we're having is wrong? What if it's not about competing with AI, but about doubling down on what makes us, well, human? Today, we are breaking down the ultimate survival guide for your career. It's the big question, the one that's on literally everyone's mind. And with AI moving at this incredible speed, it's only natural to wonder where we're all going to fit in. But you know what? Fear is not a strategy. So that's what this is. This is your playbook. We are moving past the fear and jumping straight into action. We're going to focus on 5 fundamental human skills that AI just can't touch. These are the abilities that are going to define the most valuable people in the workplace of tomorrow. All right, here's the game plan. We're talking unconventional creativity, emotional intelligence, critical thinking, complex problem solving, and last but not least, leadership. If you can master these, you're not just relevant, you're irreplaceable. First up, unconventional human creativity. And let me be really clear here. We're not just talking about being able to paint a nice picture. We are talking about the spark, that flash of genuine, groundbreaking innovation. And this is where the difference gets so interesting. And AI is incredible at what it does. It can look at millions of songs or paintings and create something new that fits the pattern. It's a master synthesizer. But it can't have a true aha moment, that flash of insight that comes from a weird life experience, a gut feeling, or a sudden emotion. AI optimizes what it already knows. We humans, we can create something from nothing. So where does this actually matter? Well, think about the visionaries, the entrepreneurs, the artists. These are the people who don't just follow the map. They draw entirely new ones. They're not just executing on old data. They are creating brand new value out of thin air. Okay, so having a world-changing idea is one thing, but getting other people to believe in it, to connect with it, that's a whole other ballgame. And that brings us to our second essential skill, emotional intelligence and empathy. We're talking about EQ, right? At its core, it's our ability to get a handle on the incredibly messy, complex world of human feelings. It starts with understanding ourselves, but it's just as much about being able to read and connect with the emotions of the people around us. And this slide just nails the difference. An AI can scan an email and be programmed to recognize words associated with anger. It can even detect frustration in someone's voice. It's processing data points. But it can't feel that frustration. It can't truly share in a moment of joy with a colleague or understand the weight of a tough situation. That deep connection, that's our territory. And this is why any job built on genuine trust is so safe. I mean, think about a great leader rallying a team, a therapist building that crucial rapport, or a negotiator who can just read the room. Their magic isn't just about the data they have, it's about how they make other people feel. All right, so in a world where AI can spit out mountains of data in seconds, our real value comes from knowing what to do with it. And that requires our third skill, critical thinking guided by a strong ethical compass. I mean, just think about it for a second. Morality, ethics, you can't just feed that into a machine as a data set. It's this messy, evolving thing built on thousands of years of culture, philosophy, and shared values. It's something we wrestle with. You can't just code that. You know, an AI could analyze every legal case in history and tell you the statistical probability of winning. But it can't apply wisdom. It can't step back and ask, yeah, but is this fair? Is this the right thing to do? It just doesn't have that framework of human values to make a real judgment call. This is the home turf of human judgment. We need judges who weigh justice, not just data. We need leaders making those tough ethical calls that an algorithm could never, ever make. These are the jobs that live in the gray areas, and that's where wisdom is everything. And speaking of those gray areas, they're usually pretty chaotic, right? And that leads us perfectly into our fourth skill, complex problem solving. This is all about finding a way forward when there isn't a clear map. So here's the key difference. AI is an absolute superstar in a world with clear, defined rules. Think about a game of chess. It can calculate every possible move and find the best path. But the real world, it's not a chessboard. It's messy. It's ambiguous. We almost never have all the information. And that's where we shine. We can strategize, we can pivot, we can see the big picture, even when half the pieces are missing. This is the world of C-suite strategists trying to guess the market in 10 years. crisis managers in the middle of a storm, or entrepreneurs betting it all on an unproven idea. These roles demand an adaptive, strategic mind that is, frankly, way beyond what AI can do. And that brings us to our fifth and final skill. And this one really ties all the others together beautifully. It's leadership and human connection, the raw power to inspire people into action. Think about it. Sure, an AI could probably write a perfectly structured, grammatically flawless speech, but could it stand on a stage and deliver it with a passion that actually moves people? Could it build the kind of trust that makes a team willing to follow it through hell and back? No way. True leadership isn't about just spitting out information. It's about inspiration. It's about genuine connection. And this skill is absolutely vital everywhere. It's the team captain in the locker room, the CEO in the boardroom, the mentor guiding a young career, and the community organizer bringing a neighborhood together. At its heart, it's about moving people. So as we wrap this up, I really want you to reframe this whole thing in your mind. This was never going to be human versus AI. That's the wrong fight. The real opportunity, the real future is human plus AI. It's a collaboration. So what do you do now? Here's your simple 3-step action plan. First, look at these 5 skills we just talked about and figure out which ones are your superpowers. Second, actively find ways to turn up the volume on those skills in your job right now. Double down on your humanity. And third, start seeing AI for what it is, an incredibly powerful tool that you can use to automate the boring stuff, freeing you up to do the work only you can do. So I'll leave you with this to think about. This isn't just about keeping your job. It's about the impact you're going to have. How are you going to lean into your creativity, your empathy, your wisdom, to not just survive, but to actually lead the way in this new era? These 5 skills are your shield and your sword for what's coming. And if you want more guides like this one to help you navigate the future, make sure you subscribe to AI Future Trends. It's time we start building our future instead of just being afraid of it.